Welcome to our channel, where we showcase the latest and best underwater drones in the market. Underwater exploration and photography have never been easier with the advancement of technology. Today, we bring you a compilation of the top underwater drones that will take your diving experience to the next level. Whether you're a professional underwater filmmaker or just looking for a unique way to explore the ocean, these underwater drones have got you covered. Number 1. Introducing the PowerVision PRW10, the innovative underwater drone designed for everyone who wants to explore the underwater world. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a hobbyist, or simply curious about what lies beneath the surface, the PowerVision PRW10 has everything you need. With the ability to dive as deep as 98 feet, the PowerVision PRW10 takes you to the depths of the ocean and allows you to capture stunning footage like never before. The base station is connected to the vehicle by a waterproof tether that's over 230 feet long, so you can explore the underwater world with ease. The PowerVision PRW10 is equipped with a fully integrated 4K UHD camera that shoots 12 MP still photos and can even burst mode up to 5 frames per second. With a 64GB SD card, you'll never have to worry about running out of storage space. The depth range is 80 meters, and the casting range is 100 meters, making it perfect for even the most demanding underwater expeditions. But that's not all. The PowerVision PRW10 offers advanced technology that is exclusive to the PowerRay Wizard. With the Power Seeker fish finder sonar and magnetic bait drop, you can locate and place bait at any desired position with ease. And with the PowerVision edition of VR goggles, you'll experience a brand new underwater world in immersive first-person view. 2. Introducing the Chasing Dory, the world's smallest submersible underwater drone that's perfect for everyone who wants to explore the underwater world. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a hobbyist, or simply curious about what lies beneath the surface, the Chasing Dory has everything you need. The Chasing Dory is incredibly portable, weighing in at just 2.4 pounds and measuring 7.4 by 9.7 inches. It's so small that you can grasp it with one hand and carry it with you wherever you go. And with the included portable backpack, it's even more convenient to take with you on your next adventure. The Chasing Dory offers excellent performance, with a 1080p camera and f/1.6 lens, embedded 16G TF card, and GPS chip. The depth-keeping mode allows you to keep the camera at a specified depth for stable shooting, and the fuselage can be tilted up and down 45 degrees to capture footage from a variety of angles. With the Chasing Dory, you're in control. Use the app and Bluetooth remote control to direct the drone and capture stunning footage. The streamlined design of the drone allows it to dive up to 49.2 feet, and the symmetrical 2x250 lumens floodlights ensure that you capture every detail. And with the two-player mode, you can even play with your family and friends and take turns operating and capturing pictures. The Chasing Dory makes it easy to share your underwater adventures with the world. With one click, you can share your pictures and videos to social platforms, and with 19 different image filters and a gamification operation interface, you can make your footage even more unique. With a runtime of 1 hour and live broadcast capabilities, you can share your underwater journey in real time. Number 3. Explore the underwater world like never before with the FIFISH V6 underwater drone. With its innovative AI vision lock technology, you'll never miss a moment of the action. The V6 accurately determines object positions and delivers highly stabilized movements for a precise focus on the target. With 360 degrees omnidirectional movement, you can swim in any direction while capturing stunning 4K video or 12MP photos. This underwater drone has a variety of applications, including content creation, marine inspections, and much more. The V6 offers outstanding image quality with its ultra-wide 166 degrees field of view, fast f/2.5 aperture, electronic image stabilization, and 12MP 1/2.3 CMOS sensor. With a top ISO rating of 6400 and 4000 lumens LED light, you'll be able to capture every detail underwater. And with the included VR headset, you'll be able to control the underwater drone intuitively, by turning your head. It's an intuitive and sensitive control experience that you won't want to miss. With up to 4 hours working time, posture lock, depth hold, image stabilization, and wireless SD card export, the FIFISH V6 is the ultimate underwater drone for your next adventure. And with Number 4. Introducing the PowerVision PowerDolphin, the ultimate underwater drone for fishing and exploration. With a 4K UHD camera and multiple resolution settings, you can capture stunning underwater footage like never before. The 220 degrees rotatable camera allows you to see both above and below the surface, giving you a complete view of your surroundings. The PowerDolphin's self-righting flip capabilities and one-button home function make it incredibly easy to use, even from a distance. The drone also features intelligent fishing and waypoint mapping functions, and has a wireless remote control range of up to 0.5 miles. So why wait? Start exploring and capturing your underwater adventures with the PowerVision PowerDolphin today. Number 5. The FIFISH V6 Expert is a top-of-the-line underwater drone, designed for professional use. It comes with several packages to choose from, including the M100, M200, M100A and M200A, all of which offer a different set of features, such as the packaging material, tether reel length, and inclusion of a robotic arm. The FIFISH V6 Expert is powered by a 14,400 mAh battery, which offers a working time of up to 6 hours and can be charged quickly to 90% in just 1 hour. The drone is equipped with an upgraded motor system for enhanced stability and performance, and is also resistant to corrosion. The FIFISH V6 Expert is highly versatile, with the ability to integrate with over 20 professional-level tools for specific tasks and scenarios. It features a built-in quick plug compartment for easy transfer of data and images, and comes with a 128GB micro SD card for ample storage. The camera system of the FIFISH V6 Expert delivers stunning 4K low-noise shooting, a 166 degrees ultra-wide field of view, and slow-motion filming at 240 FPS. The drone is also equipped with 6,000 lumen LED lights for enhanced lighting in turbid and dark spaces. Number 6. The Chasing M2 Pro is a top-of-the-line underwater remotely operated vehicle, ROV, designed specifically for professional and industrial applications. With its 8 vectored thrusters layout, the M2 Pro provides omni-movement in all directions and has an upgraded motor system compared to its predecessor, the Chasing M2. With a maximum speed of 4 knots, a depth capability of 150 meters, 490 feet, and a maximum horizontal radius of 400 meters, 1,300 feet, the M2 Pro is built to explore the depths of the ocean with ease. The M2 Pro also features a hybrid power supply system, allowing for unlimited battery life, as well as compatibility with a range of sophisticated attachments, including a grabber claw, floodlight, laser scaler, and much more. The M2 Pro is also compatible with a control console, docking station, and USB-L underwater positioning system. At the heart of the M2 Pro is a 4K/1080p, 12-megapixel EIS image stabilizing camera, with 4,000 lumen LED lights to deliver crystal clear images, even in low light conditions. The compact aluminum alloy body, which weighs less than 6 kilograms, allows for single-person operation and quick deployment in just 3 minutes. Number 7. Introducing the Camoro 100M underwater drone, the ultimate tool for capturing stunning underwater footage and exploring the depths of the ocean. With a professional-grade 4K camera and large 32G body, you can easily store, save, and share your underwater adventures. The Camoro 100M is designed to handle the pressures of the deep sea. With its watertight technology and anti-pressure and anti-corrosion materials, you can dive down to 150 meters and capture unique underwater species. Its powerful propulsion system, equipped with 30G/watt and high-efficiency propellers, allows for speeds of up to 2 meters per second and a stable and reliable underwater movement. With a 4-hour-long battery life and 9,000 mAh large-capacity lithium battery, you can enjoy longer underwater adventures without having to worry about power. The innovative power optimization algorithm maximizes power savings, ensuring that you get the most out of your battery life. The Camoro 100M also features a 160-degree wide-angle low-illumination lens, allowing for 1080p video screen real-time viewing. Its built-in image processing DSP ensures excellent image quality, even in low-light conditions. Thank you for watching this video on the best underwater drones in the market. We hope that it has been informative and helped you make a decision on the right underwater drone for you. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing technology reviews. Until next time, happy underwater exploring!